दिन के जिसका वादा है।
जो लोहे अज़ल में लिखा है,
Our mission and vision of this institution is to promote equality and dignity. Our newly appointed registrar social media account shows that he is Islamophobic, he is against reservation, he is sexist, he is casteist. Then how he will take our institution vision forward? I also feel that student coming from different marginalized section like queer student coming from Dalit Adivasi Bahujan background, and student coming from Muslim community will feel unsafe due to appointment of this registrar.
हमारे जो नए रजिस्ट्रार हुए हैं उनका जो ट्वीट था वो इस कदर ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है कि टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेज में उनसे ही संबंधित एक उनका बगल बच्चा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी एक प्रेस जारी करके कहता है कि नहीं, मैं रजिस्ट्रार साहब के कुछ ट्वीटों से सहमत नहीं हूँ। और कैसे उनको रजिस्ट्रार बना दिया गया, उसकी ये जो आदमी है, ये जो रजिस्ट्रार नियुक्त हुआ है, ये बिल्कुल ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है। और इसका सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ एक ही मकसद है कि रूलिंग क्लास के एजेंडा को फॉरवर्ड करे, जो कैंपस का सौहार्दपूर्ण वातावरण है उसको ख़त्म करे, उसमें तनाव पैदा करे। तो हम लोगों को चाहिए कि इनके अपॉइंटमेंट को किसी भी तरह से उसका विरोध करें।
As alumni of the institute, we've seen firsthand how our friends, batchmates, and other students of the campus were forced out of the campus, forced to drop out of courses that they deserved to be in, scholarships that they really were promised and deserved were taken away from them forcefully. And in the last few years, there has been a high amount of gatekeeping in who can enter this institute, for obvious reasons that many marginalized communities cannot afford the high amount of fees that is being charged now. And this is just one of the many problems that the campus has been attacked with in the past few years, not to mention curbing dissent, not allowing protests of any kind, and destroying the vibrant space that TISS was once known for. The beauty and speciality of our institute lies in its diversity, and a man like the current registrar who has been appointed will just further the hate, the curbing of the dissent, and harm the safety of the students on campus or beyond. And as a part of the larger community of TISS, we should all voice our dissent against this step, because this is really dangerous and concerning.
रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे हम महकूमों के पाँव तले, ये धरती दर दर धड़केगी और अहले हकम के सरों पर जब बिजली कड़कड़ कड़केगी हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे।
A person having extremely bigoted and hateful views regarding critical democratic students has been appointed as a registrar in a social science institute known for promoting and engaging in critical thinking and intellectualism. This appointment is severely going to impact the nature of discussions, debate, and especially dissent in the institute. We can already sense this fear in the student community, while students are opposing this move, this appointment in large numbers. More than 19 current courses of TISS have released a statement condemning and demanding the revocation of this appointment, but most of the students are not ready to come forward and speak as an individual. They fear getting targeted, and this fear to an extent is valid, because the man sitting at the position of registrar has supported police brutality and other lethal means to curb democratic voices. We know faculties are also against this. They are very concerned against regarding this appointment, but even they are choosing not to come forward and speak. What does this implies? This implies fear, a very shocking and alarming fear. But one way I believe to fight the fear is to speak up. More we speak up, more we drive out the fear.
उछाले जाएंगे, सब तख्त गिराए जाएंगे, हम देखेंगे, लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे.